All right, you guys, hey, it's day 11, and on day 11 here, we got the roof tore off, got it cleaned off, and we got the dumpster just about full, and I'm tearing out the walkway here on the front because it's ugly and it's uneven, and then we're also getting ready to put in sod. So as you can see, it's looking a heck of a lot better, as the kids say. Hecka. Property is looking like a nice house now, and as I mentioned in the previous video, okay, that we've graveled all the way back to the second house. I think we had 16 cubic yards of gravel, 3/4 inch gravel. Okay, and I'll put the price on that in the next video. And so what we're doing now is tearing up the sidewalk, going to the back house, because I'm looking at it saying, well, if there's someone that's in a wheelchair, okay, what I want to be able to do is be able to have access on the wheelchair from the back house to the front. So tearing out, again, it's a walkway area that leads to that front house. So again, this is what we're working on now, and I just want to keep you guys updated. Talk to you later.